Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, a garrison of 1500 men is provisioned for 60 days. After 25 days, the garrison is reinforced by 500 men. How long will the remaining provisions last? The solution is, since initially the men were 1500, but after reinforcement the men were 2000, so the provision would last for 1500 men for 35 days. So we can say that for 1 man it will last for 35 multiplied by 1500 days. So provision for 2000 men for 35 multiplied by initially the number of men that were 1500 upon the men after reinforcement, that is 2000. After simplification we get it as 26.25 days. Therefore the provision will now last for 26.25 days. Therefore the answer is third. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, A and B can do a certain piece of work in 18 days. B and C can do it in 12 days. C and A can do it in 24 days. How long would each respectively take to do it working separately? Now the solution is, 1 day work of A and B, that is 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 18. Similarly, for B and C, it is 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by 12. For C and A, it is 1 by C plus 1 by A is equal to 1 by 24. By equation 1, 2 and 3, we can write it as twice of 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C will be equal to 1 by 18 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. Or we can say it as 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C will be equal to 13 upon 144. Now A's 1 day work will be calculated as 1 by A plus substituting the value of B and C from equation number 2. In this we get 1 by A plus 1 by 12 is equal to 13 upon 144, or 1 by A is equal to 13 upon 144 minus 1 by 12, which will be equal to 1 upon 144. This is the time taken by A, or A's 1 day work. Similarly, for B we can find it as 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 13 upon 144. For substituting the value of 1 by A plus 1 by C, we get 1 by B is equal to 13 upon 144 minus A plus C's 1 day work, that is 1 by 24. Now 1 by B is therefore turns out to be 144, 7 upon 144, or B is equal to 144 by 7 days. For C, we again have the equation 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 13 upon 144. Substituting the value of A plus B's 1 day work, that is 1 by 18 plus 1 by C is equal to 13 upon 144, or 1 by C is equal to 13 upon 144 minus 1 by 18. We get the value of 1 by C as 5 upon 144 or C turns out to be 144 upon 5. Therefore, the answer is first. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikran. The question is, if 6 BSF or 10 CRPF companies can demolish a hideous terrorist outfit in Kashmir in 2 days, then how long will 4 BSF and 9 CRPF companies take to do the same? The solution is, we can say from the question that 6 BSF or 10 CRPF companies are equivalent. So we can write it as 6 BSF is equal to 10 CRPF. Now, from the given equation, we can say that 4 BSF plus 9 CRPF companies will be equivalent to the work done as 4 BSF plus 9 into 6 by 10 of BSF, that is 94 by 10 BSF. Now, work done by these is 6 into 2 BSF days, which is equivalent to 94 by 10 multiplied by X BSF days. We can find out the value of X, which turns out to be 1.27 days. Therefore, the answer is second. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, 20 men can complete a piece of work in 10 days, but after every 4 days, 5 men are called off. In what time will the work be finished? The solution is 20 men working for 4 days will complete the work, that is 4 by 10, which is equal to 2 by 5 of the total work, that is 0.4 W. Now, as after every 4 days 5 men are called off, we can say that 15 men work for 4 days and complete the work, that is 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 5th of the work that is already completed, which is 0.3 of W. Now again, as 4 days will pass on and 5 men will again drop out, then 10 men work for another 4 days will give you the amount of work as 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 of W, which is 0.2 W. 5 men, again after 4 days, 5 men will again drop out. Now the number of men left are 5, which will again work for 4 days. And the work done will be 1 by 4 of 2 by 5 W, that is 0.1 W. Now, as we know that total amount of work is always taken as unity, so we can say that the total work will be finished in 16 days. Therefore, the answer is first. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C can do it in 15 days. If all the three work together, it can be finished in 10 days. How long will it take for A and C to do it together? The solution is, first of all, we'll find out the work done by A and B. That is, work done by A and B in one day will be 1 by 12. This can be written as equation number 1. The work done by B and C in one day will be 1 by 15. This can be written as equation number 2. The work done by A, B and C together in one day will be equal to 1 by 10. This can be written as equation number 3. Therefore, multiplying both the sides by 2 in equation number 3, we get 2 by A plus 2 by B plus 2 by C will be equal to 1 by 5. So, the work done by A plus 2 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. That is equal to 3 by 20. Now, this is the amount of work which is done by A and 2B and C in one day. Therefore, the work done by A and C in one day can be written as 1 by 5 minus 3 by 20, which is equal to 1 by 20. Therefore, A and C together can complete the work in 20 days. Therefore, answer is 4th. Thank you.